Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to protect your private data and stay safe when using public Wi-Fi networks. Using public networks can expose your data to risks, but with the help of virtual private networks, or VPNs, you can browse more securely. What is a VPN? A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel between your device and a server operated by the VPN provider. It prevents outsiders from seeing your web traffic by routing it through the encrypted tunnel instead of directly over the public network. This protects you from certain data surveillance and security threats when browsing on public networks. Why use a VPN for public Wi-Fi? Public Wi-Fi networks can be very useful when you're out and about but don't have mobile data. However, they come with some privacy and security downsides that you need to be aware of. First, it's fairly easy for bad actors to monitor unencrypted traffic on these networks and steal data like logins and passwords. Public networks also don't do enough to obscure your device's IP address and location. A VPN adds a layer of protection that hides your traffic and IP address from compromise. Choosing a reliable VPN app. There are many VPN services to choose from, both free and paid. A premium VPN service often provides faster speeds, better infrastructure, and improved privacy standards compared to most free options. Be sure to read reviews and understand each product's logging policies, encryption standards, number of server locations, and supported platforms before subscribing. Also check if the VPN provider offers apps for your particular devices. How to connect to a VPN. Once you select a suitable VPN service, download the app for your device. It could be Windows PC, Mac, Android or Apple phone, or even devices like the Fire TV stick. Open the app and create an account with the provider if you don't have one already. Log into the app and connect to a server in a location of your choice. Connecting routes all device and app traffic through the encrypted VPN tunnel to keep prying eyes away. You may see a key or padlock icon in the desktop tray or mobile notification bar indicating that the VPN is active. Some providers also have convenient connect/disconnect toggles within the system settings tray. Tap that icon to safely disconnect from the VPN tunnel whenever you want your regular network connection back. And that covers the essentials of safeguarding your browsing on public Wi-Fi with a VPN app. Protect your data from unnecessary risks and enjoy more peace of mind next time you rely on an open hotspot network. Let me know if you found this video helpful.